Changing the look of your wall doesn't take much. Just, any small project you can make at home, can make a big difference. This is why today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a floating lamp, something you can move wall to wall, any room you wanna put it. It's transportable, it's easy to move, and it can give you a nice look of your wall, especially at night. If you need some romantic room or beautiful setting in your room, you can use that lamp. And you can change also the color. So I have the white one, but you can also put the LED light in it. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do guys that, and keep that in mind. That costs $0. Alright, so stay tuned, let's get started. First of all, you'll be surprised to see that I didn't use any type of wood you may imagine. So I just have some leftover laminate floor I'm gonna use to do that project. Like I said, on this channel I'm gonna try to use as less as possible money, just to show you guys everything is possible. You don't need to spend $1,000 to change or to do a project. You just use your mind, and then you can make a project for your own house. Try to remove the edge of the laminate floor here. You know what it is, just to make it square. Alright, I got my 4 pieces ready. And again, the measurement, it all depends to what size you want, how big you want it, and it all depends to the type of light you're gonna put in. So me, I just had to do it really small.
To everything we almost had. We were so close that I could almost feel the pain, and it hurts so bad. But there's always something changing the way we go. Like everyone around us thinking that they should have a say, but they don't. Well, maybe I can love you, babe, or maybe I'm too afraid of getting less than I gave.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't.
So after cleaning the lamp, as you can see, it did give it like a black color, but at the end I realized it doesn't look good, so I'm gonna just cover it with wrapping paper, like laminate paper. If you guys watched my my previous video about the shell, this is the same paper I did use for my shell.
I can help you out, I can help you out, I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Oh, 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 I can't live without you. Oh, 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 I can't breathe without your love. Your love.
Alright, now my lamp is all wrapped. I'm gonna use some wrapping paper to put it inside. This is gonna give like a little reflect of the light. When I put the light, this is gonna help the light shine a little bit more and reflect to the other side. So the light is gonna be stronger than what you was expected. guys, so it's all set. My lighter on. I'm just gonna try it again. You see, I just hold it like this. You guys can move it anywhere you want, and you're gonna see the finish at the end when you post it. And this is it, guys. See, beautiful, nice, not heavy, very light. You can put in your kids room and your bedroom and your kitchen, your living, anywhere you want. Even in the bathroom you can put it. This is it, guys, and when you turn the light on, it's like that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. That was it for today, and again, I'm always gonna do something small, beautiful and shiny for you guys, some small project like this one. And I have another one coming up. You have to stay tuned, guys, because this one is gonna be insane. Again, thanks for watching, guys. If you are new on this channel, please consider to subscribe. Not only gonna support this channel, but you won't miss the next comment video. And I'll see you guys next time. See you. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.